Are you ready to transform your workflow? Discover how Gemini.ai can enhance your Google Workspace experience, streamlining tasks and boosting your collaboration. In this video, we'll dive into practical tips and tricks to leverage AI for smarter document management, effortless scheduling, and automated responses. Don't miss out on the future of productivity. Watch now and elevate your workspace key. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Gemini AI with Google Workspace. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into gemini.google.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Gemini? Gemini.ai is an advanced artificial intelligence tool designed to enhance productivity and streamline workflows within Google Workspace. By integrating AI of Gemini with Google Workspace, users can leverage AI capabilities to automate repetitive tasks, generate content, analyze data, and facilitate collaboration. This powerful combination allows for more efficient document creation, smarter email, and improved organization, ultimately helping teams work faster and more effectively. So to get started, all they have to do is just click over chat with Gemini, and you have just to add your email address, and then you'll find this page. As you can see, you have just to read these terms and privacy. You will have, for example, your data and Gemini application. Then you click over more to read all these things. As you can see, then you have Teams of Service. You have now to Google Teams of Service and generative AI prohibited use policy apply to Gemini application. If you are a Korea-based customer, you also agree that your use of Gemini application is subject to the Korean location terms of service. Then you click over to use Gemini, and you have just to come back. You have just to find this page as you can see. So I will show you how you can use Gemini. So all you have to do right now is just to integrate Gemini with Google Drive for seamless document management, and send text to your Google Calendar to keep track of appointment and deadlines. You can also manage emails, job, Gmail, and create tasks and send this with Google Tasks. Finally, explore automation features and training resources to optimize your workflow. So to get started, you have just to go here in the settings, and you have just to click over extensions. Then you have just to read this information before. Here we have Gemini extension help you bring it all together. And we have other information. The magic of Gemini comes to your stuff. Then you have turn Gemini extensions on or off anytime. Then we have one conversation mini extensions. Then we have Gemini extensions help you bring it all together. Then we have here the magic of Gemini comes to your stuff. Turn Gemini extensions on or off anytime as it's and if you want to, for example, to know more, you click over learn more to more understand about Gemini and how it works. So you have just to scroll down and you switch to the one you want. For example, if you want a good flight, and we have here Google Tells, and here we have how it works for each one. For example, we are interested for Google Workspace. I will just here to completely resolve your requests. Gemini will firstly access and manage items for Google Workspace like your emails and documents, share parts of your conversations and other relevant info with Google Workspace, which may be used to improve its service. You have just to learn how your content is used, and you click over connect, and then here we have Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Keep, and Google Tasks. I will show you how you can do that with this Google Workspace. We have here first find, summarize, and get quick information from your content in Gmail, Documents, Drive, and more. And also we have other things such as Google Maps, if you want to also YouTube Music as well, and also we have Google Hotels and Google Flights. Alright, so right now I will show you how you can do that. Let's just come back to the new shot, and you have just to ask, for example, I will select here, for example, the option of Gmail, right? And then I will just ask, for example, folder that I don't read. It's just an example that I don't read. All right. As you can see, let's just waiting. Here we have a size in emails. He just researching for this. Here we have I couldn't find any Gmail folders that you don't read. So let's just show it with another option. For example, let's just select in Gmail, and I will just write here in read emails, and I will click over enter. As you can see, And here you have here 19 unread emails in your Gmail inbox. We have here 5 unread emails from Linktree. You have 2 emails from Calendly, 3 emails from System.io, and we have here 2 emails from LastPass, 2 emails from LinkedIn, and we have 1 email from Pioneer. We have 1 email from ClickUp team. We have 1 email from Moodle Academy, and you click over here to learn more, as you can see. And you have just to click over it if you wanna know more. So right now I will just write, for example, again I will select here the option of Gmail, and I will select here, alright, respond to Shopify. For example, I have a folder on email, so respond to Shopify email. So let's just give it another example. For example, we have here Google Drive. Let's just searching for folders that I have, and I'll click over here, and here we have, I couldn't find any folder, so we don't have any folder on Google Drive. And right now let's just give another example. For example, let's just click on over Google Maps, Mac. For example, I will search for a localization of for example, I will just write, and I will click over enter, and you will find here are some McDonald's locations near locations. All right, and here we have more details, as you can see. Right now let's just search for other examples. So let's just give another example. For example, I will select here right now YouTube. For example, best videos. For example, and I will find here your best videos that you have to watch it. Here are some of the best of videos on YouTube, as you can see. Also, we have here, I will select another one. As you can see, for example, I will select here Google Docs, Gmail, and also we have here Google Drive, and you have just to search for folder. You don't have any folder here, so right now let's just give another example for, as you can see. So let's just select in Google Maps again, and let's give it, for example, here best coffee, or best, for example, best. As you can see, here we have the best. Here are some of the best coffees in our city. All right. So right now we have just to click over more. If you want to just copy or report a legal issue, then we have here the option of Google it if you want. Also, if you want to share and export, you'll find here export to docs or draft in Gmail. Then we have here if you want a better response. If you want to just click over here if it's a good response. And also we have here other options like Gym Manager, help if you want to help. We have here fake help updates, privacy view. Then we have here activity, as you can see. Also, we have here settings. You'll find your public links and your extensions as well, right? So you have just to click over new chat and you get started with that. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.